Prairie Puppies. This is inside play day. We've got about 6 inches of snow out there, so we decided to do a little playtime inside. This one is Ford, the Cavapoo. Got cute little eyes. Got a little green collar. And the little red one right there that was next to us is a Cavapoochon. That one's Owen. They're scrounging for a little snack.
He found a treat.
He's a Cavapoochon, so it's a Trimex Poodle, Bichon, and Cavalier. Non-shedding, just a great little dog. He's going to be small. You know, he weighs under 5 pounds right now. This Juju, he's right about 6 pounds. And over by the door, blue collar, Juju. Hey, Juju, what you doing? He's so sweet. He says, well, I want to go home somewhere. I just love attention and playing. Hey, Juju. Say, oh, I see you. Yeah, did you find a car?
They want to go out.
Yeah, they were out playing earlier. So. Yeah. Oh, yeah. How'd I get over the way over there? Yeah, I don't know either.
They're like, I don't know about this collar business.
You don't know about this collar business?
You gotta get used to it.
I think you found the treat bag. Oops. They found the stash. You don't miss a thing, do you? You don't miss a thing, do you? Yeah, get all those little crumbs.